How to view analytics on Pinterest mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Pinterest, click on Saved at the bottom right. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then you will find all these options pop up. Click on Account Management, which is the first option. Then click on Convert to a business account. After you've done that, press on Convert Account. After you press on Convert Account, simply add your profile name and then press on Next. After that, you will need to add your website. If you don't have any website, click on No Website Yet. Then describe your business and then press on Next at the bottom. Then, would you ever run Pinterest ad? Click on I'm not sure. After that, simply go to your profile again and you'll find Creator Hub at the top. Click on Creator Hub at the top. Then click on Analytics at the top right. After you click on Analytics at the top right, here you will be able to see Analytics on Pinterest. This is how to view Analytics on Pinterest mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.